Hey Hooper, it's Deanne Love here. Welcome to your 30 days in flow. We are going to learn a flow session every day for 30 days. Now you can put them together, you can separate them, you can do whatever you like with them, but I have created a flow session generator. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So it is about 80 tricks. I've taken the 80 tricks from my Hooplove coaching. I teach teachers how to teach over 100 tricks, and I've pulled them out of there, and then I've put them in and made like this little thing where you can screenshot as many times as you like, and that is going to give you your flow session. So I'm going to be here with a tutorial teaching you every day the tricks and transitions for 30 days, a new flow session. And then we're going to put the technique over the top. Each day will have a theme, and that is going to be our flow inspiration, our technique. So all you need to do is totally free. All you need to do to get the whole entire vibe, that means every day a new flow session tutorial, every day a new theme for your technique, and a playlist, is go over to learn.hooplovers.tv and you will find the 30 days in flow. It's free, and day by day you can come along with me and learn a new flow session. So not only are you going to get stronger with your hooping, fitter in your body, more connected and aligned with your flow, but also we're just going to have a ton of fun, new things all around. So meet me over there, grab your hoop, and let's get started.